Hi everyone,
My name is Charles Kayanan.
my name is Patrick Mahuna from ACT C107.
For today's video, we are going to show you how to assemble and disassemble a system unit.
Before you start, you need to remember our safety precaution. First, you need to remove your jewelry.
Second, discharge static electricity by touching a metal for 3 to 5 minutes.
Let's move on to assembling and disassembling system unit.
This is how you disassemble a system unit. First, you need to turn off your computer or system unit and unplug all the back panel cable connectors. After that, remove the side and front panel. Second, unplug all the cables that are connected to the motherboard and video card such as power supply, fans, CPU cooler, etc. After you remove all the cables, you can now remove the power supply, HDD or hard disk drive. Before you remove the RAM or random access memory, open the memory clip so that you can remove the RAM. Unscrew the PCI lock and the video card so you can remove the video card or GPU. Next, unscrew or unplug the SSD or solid-state drive. And then, remove or unscrew CPU cooler or CPU fan. After that, unscrew all the case fans. Open the CPU shield to remove the CPU or central processing unit. And last, unscrew the motherboard to the case. So guys, that's how you disassemble a system unit.
This is how you assemble a system unit. First, get your motherboard and screw it in the case, or put all the parts on the motherboard first before you screw to the case. Open the CPU shield to install the CPU. After you put the CPU, close the CPU shield. Next, install the power supply. After that, open the memory clip and install the RAM or the random access memory. Next, plug the SATA cable or screw the SSD or solid state drive. Before you install the video card, unscrew the PCI cover. After that, install and screw the video card. Install your HDD or hard disk drive. After that, put and screw the CPU cooler or CPU fan. For additional aesthetics, you can put a RGB case fans. After you screw the fans, we are going to connect all the cables. Connect the case fans to the motherboard. Connect the power supply to the motherboard. As you can see, we use a fan cable splitter to less the cable management. Connect the power supply 20 pins cable to the motherboard. Next, connect the power supply to the video card. Next, connect the cable case to the motherboard. After that, connect the power supply to the HDD. Use SATA cable to connect the HDD in the motherboard. And last, connect the CPU cooler or CPU fan to the motherboard. Plug all the cable needed in the back panel. After you plug the cables, close the side and front panel. Screw the PCI lock and the PSU mount. After that, put the USB drive for OS and it's ready to boot. So guys, that's how you assemble a system unit.